What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And we have a tradition here that during the month of February, we take a moment to acknowledge love, of course, but also the contributions of Black Americans to not only American history, but to world history. And we do that by opening up with a quote. And today's quote comes from Booker T. Washington. It says, "There are two ways of exerting one's strength. One is pushing down, the other is pulling up." So I'm keeping with my promise that I made y'all to give you a drink recipe. And here we go. I am making some strawberry hemp milk, and it's so easy, so smooth, only takes a couple of ingredients, and y'all, it's popping. So, I always want to know what you think. So tell me in the comment section below, but you already know before you go. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is add your half a cup of hemp seeds into your container, followed by your 12 ounces of filtered water, and then adding in your strawberry syrup. So you'll add more syrup depending on how sweet you want yours to be. And then you're going to screw the lid on to your NutriBullet, and you guessed it, put it in the base to blend. You'll need to blend for a full 2 minutes until everything is nice and smooth. So your consistency should look a little like this. All right, adding some ice, and just look at that pour, y'all. Look at that pour, so smooth. So you can choose to add your straw and drink it now, or put the lid on it and save it for later. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.